Hello there. Today we'll be learning about the greatest common factor. Let's understand what common factors are. Common factors are the factors that are common between two or more numbers. Let's take 12 and 18 as an example. Factors of 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors of 18 would be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. As you can see, the factors that are common between 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. These numbers are called common factors. Now among these common factors, 6 is the largest common number that both numbers share. So 6 would be called the greatest common factor of 18 and 12. Let's take another example of 4 and 10. Factors of 4 would be 1, 2, and 4. Factors of 10 would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. The common factors of both of these numbers are 1 and 2, and the largest among them is 2. So the greatest common factor would be 2 in this case. Now let's move on to a real-life example of how GCF can be used to solve problems. Sarah has 8 red-colored pens and 20 yellow-colored pens. She wants to create groups of pens such that there are same number of red-colored pens and yellow-colored pens in each group, and there are no pens left over. What is the greatest number of groups that she can create? To solve this problem, we need to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 20. Why is that? Because the GCF is the largest common number that both numbers share. So factors of 8 would be 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 20 would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Common factors these numbers share are 1, 2, and 4. And as you can see, the largest number among these numbers is 4. Therefore, Sarah can create maximum of 4 groups of pens. Now what's left to know is how many pens will be in each group. To find that, we can divide the total number of pens from each group by the GCF. Because GCF represents the total number of groups, and by dividing the total number of pens by total number of groups, we can get the number of pens in each group. Since Sarah has 8 red-colored pens and 20 yellow-colored pens, the number of pens in each group will be 2 red-colored and 5 yellow-colored pens. And now we can distribute the pens in each group accordingly like this. So yeah, I hope you understood the concept of greatest common factor and how it can be used to solve problems in real life. That was all for today. Keep learning, keep exploring. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.